Welcome back to Auto Legends 2050, the channel where timeless icons meet tomorrow's imagination. Today, we're looking at a stunning modern reinterpretation of the Mercedes-Benz W180. A car that once symbolized refinement in the 1950s now appears reborn in these images as a low-slung, ultra-clean, futuristic classic. And honestly, this thing looks like it could roll straight out of a secret Mercedes design studio. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more legendary cars, futuristic redesigns, and rare automotive stories. Let's begin with a little history. The original Mercedes-Benz W180 first appeared in 1954 as part of the famous Ponton generation. It was known for its smooth body shape, elegant luxury, and six-cylinder performance. Back then, it represented a major step forward for Mercedes-Benz, combining comfort, prestige, and modern engineering for its era. Now, looking at these images, what we're seeing is more than just a classic Mercedes. This feels like a bold modern tribute to the W180 reimagined for a new generation. Starting at the front, this car makes an unforgettable first impression. The giant upright grille instantly grabs your attention. It keeps the proud and formal face of the original W180. But now, it looks more aggressive, more premium, and far more dramatic. It has that powerful old-money Mercedes presence, but with a sharper, more modern attitude. The round headlights are another brilliant touch. They preserve the soul of the classic design, yet the LED-style rings and projector elements bring in a futuristic edge. That combination of vintage shape and modern lighting gives the car a face that feels both nostalgic and new. Lower down, the bumper and splitter transform the car completely. This is where the design stops being a gentle classic sedan and starts feeling like a high-end performance build. The front end looks planted, expensive, and purposeful. From the side, the beauty of the W180 really shines through. The body keeps that clean, rounded Ponton silhouette, but now it sits much lower with a far more aggressive stance. The proportions feel elegant, stretched, and refined. The large wheels fill the arches perfectly, and the polished finish gives the car just enough flash without overpowering the design. I really like how the side profile remains clean and uncluttered. There are no unnecessary creases or over-designed details. It simply flows from front to rear with confidence and class. This is the angle where the car feels the most graceful. It doesn't look like it's trying too hard. It just looks right. At the rear, the personality changes again. The classic rounded shape is still there, but now it's mixed with a stronger and sportier character. The subtle trunk lip, modern rear diffuser, and quad exhaust setup give the back end a bold, muscular finish. The taillights also help modernize the whole design. They look sharper and more contemporary, yet they still sit nicely within the soft, classic bodywork. From the rear, this isn't just a vintage luxury sedan anymore. It feels like a statement car. Now, when it comes to the engine, the images don't show the engine bay, but the original W180 was known for its smooth inline-six heritage. That's an important part of its identity. So in a modern 2026 style interpretation like this, I'd imagine a refined turbocharged inline-six would be the perfect tribute to the original. Smooth, effortless, and powerful. But looking at the aggressive stance and custom styling, you could also imagine this machine hiding a modern V8 under the hood, turning it into a true Autobahn monster. Whatever the choice, one thing is clear. This car looks like it was built to move with style and authority. The cabin beautifully mixes classic luxury with modern technology. The rich wood trim instantly gives you that old-school Mercedes warmth, while the cream-quilted leather adds elegance and comfort. It feels handcrafted, expensive, and timeless. But then the modern world comes in through the wide digital display, updated controls, and sleek dashboard layout. One of the standout details is the steering wheel, which blends a classic wood rim look with a modern Mercedes-inspired center. That balance between vintage charm and current technology is what makes this interior so special. Overall, this reimagined Mercedes-Benz W180 is absolutely stunning. It captures the elegance of the original, but it doesn't just copy the past. It transforms it into something dramatic, cinematic, and desirable. The front is bold, the side is graceful, the rear is aggressive, and the interior brings everything together with style and sophistication. This is the kind of car that wouldn't just get noticed at a car event. It would stop people in their tracks. That's what makes a great reimagining so exciting. It doesn't erase history. It gives history a new heartbeat. So, what do you think about this futuristic Mercedes-Benz W180 tribute? Would you keep it classy with an inline-six, or would you go all out with a powerful V8? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more legendary machines reimagined for the future.